Our liver naturally is cleansing and repairing itself every day. The liver is the main organ for detoxification, which is responsible for more than 500 functions in the body. The liver acts as a filter for blood, removing and neutralizing toxic substances from it. The liver filters out chemicals, excess hormones, sugar, and processed foods. So detoxing and cleansing the liver is very important for proper functioning of our body. In this video, I will be discussing 8 natural and easy ways to detoxify and cleanse your liver. Number 1. Keep your blood sugar down. Control blood sugar levels by consuming carbohydrates from healthy sources. When we consume too much sugar, it becomes difficult for the liver to function properly. Control cravings for sugar and sweets. There are probably reasons why you eat too many sweets. Find the reason and reduce it as much as you can. Number 2. Reduce stress. Detoxification is a parasympathetic process. This means it works most optimally while your body is in the rest and digest mode. If you are always under stress, our liver has to work harder. Stress can also lead to muscle tension, causing diversion of energy from the body's repair system, which can result in poor detoxification. As a result, more toxins can build up in our fat cells during stressful periods due to a lack of energy to dispose of them. So try to reduce daily stress for a healthy liver. Number 3. Control your anger. In particular, unresolved anger can have a significant impact on the liver. The liver may become overburdened with the increased levels of stress hormones and toxins, leading to inflammation and damage to liver cells. So it's advised to talk to a therapist or counselor. Number 4. Do physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity to promote a healthy liver. Exercise helps reduce stress, increases energy levels, and lowers obesity, which is a risk factor for liver disease. Aim for a total of 150 minutes of exercise per week, such as walking or swimming, to maintain a healthy liver. Number 5. Castor oil. Put a castor oil pack on the skin over the liver to support detox. The essential fatty acids, in particular the rich oleic acid that castor oil contains, encourages movement of chemical energy within the body, resulting in a detoxifying effect. Using castor oil 3 to 4 times a week is beneficial for strengthening the liver and lymphatic system, but it's advised to avoid it during menstruation, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. Number 6. Beets. Beets are a great addition to our daily diet, as they work like a legend to detoxify and clean the liver. Beetroot juice is a source of nutrients and antioxidants called betalains, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver. Number 7. Eat healthy fats. Healthy fats from animal and plant sources such as butter, olives, avocados, and raw dairy products should be included in our daily diet. Number 8. Consume organic and natural proteins. Consuming organic and natural proteins from animal and plant sources is essential for a healthy and clean liver. By implementing these detoxification methods, we can help keep our liver healthy and functioning at its best. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.